Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the ice cream sticks and put them like this. Now put another piece of sticks over it like this and take another one and make these steps as shown in the video. So here we are making a piano and look, it's done. First join the colorful sticks like this. Now we'll be putting the small section of sticks like this to make it stand. So after making it like this, put the colorful sticks to make the ladder and the slide and it's done. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and make the face of a hippopotamus. Now we'll be making its eyes. Now we'll be making its ears and its nose. Now we'll be making its mouth, and using the pistachio shells we'll be making its teeth. And it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a wooden cardboard sheet, put the water bottle caps or the transparent caps like this, and then we'll be putting the digits like this. Now we'll be making the hands of the clock, fix them in the between. Now take the yellow color paper and draw the lines like this and fix it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the ice cream sticks or the wooden sticks like this, and then you have to join them like this, and it's done. Now make it stand like this, and then after that we'll be taking again small sticks to join it like this from the sides, and it's done. And then you have to make it stand like this and make the wheels using the small piece of these sticks. Now after making the wheels, fix it on both the sides to make it a cart. Fix it, and then you have to make its handle on the back to hold it, and your cart is ready. Next, take the wooden sticks and then you have to join them. First, paste them like this and make its base and stand. So here we are making a table. Now make its chair, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking these sticks to make the chair. So fix it like this on the sides and make its legs like this. Make its back rest, and it's ready. Next, take these sticks and then you have to join them like this. Now after that, cut it from the between and join them as shown in the video. Put these sticks in the between and then you have to paste it. Now after that, make it stand, make one more as such, and then you have to put it like this on the sides. Now join them carefully and make it stand like this. So here we are making a beautiful flower vase. Put some sticks of flowers over it like this, and look how beautiful it's looking. Next, we'll be taking the ice cream sticks like this, put the glue gun on the sides, and then you have to paste small section of these sticks, make its legs, and then you have to make it stand like this. Next, we'll be taking the wooden cardboard sheet, cut it like this in the U shape, and then put some numbers over it. Now put the springs like this and put a marble like this, and your game is ready. Next, we'll be taking the wooden cardboard sheet to make the car. So first join it like this. Now take a small cap and fix it on the top. Now after that, we'll be putting the wheels to make the wheels of the cars, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a wooden cardboard sheet, paste it like this. Now surround it with the other piece of paper. Now after it, spread it like this and put the stick in the between and fix it on the top. Now after that, put the circular paper in the between, make its handle, and your watch is ready. Next, we'll be putting these sticks like this by pasting them together. Now take another piece of paper, draw the flag over it like this and fix it with the stick over the board, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.